Hello, my name is Phil Shekerlian, and I'm the attorney owner of the law offices of Phil Shekerlian. We provide everything from basic estate planning, which includes wills, trusts, power of attorneys, and guardianships, to business planning for startups or existing businesses, to advanced tax planning for high net worth individuals. When it comes to the advanced tax planning, some of the tax structures that I'm putting into place, there's only 2 other attorneys here in Southern California that are doing it, one in Northern California and about 15 or so in the entire United States. So some of the tax planning I do is very unique, and you're not going to find it with other tax attorneys in the area. One of the other things that differentiates me from other attorneys is taking the time to educate the client and make them think about things that they would have never thought about. If you go online to like LegalZoom or any other place where you can do a trust on your own, you're not going to know the questions that need to be asked to figure out what you want to do. So when you come to me with a problem, I say, well, what if this happens, or what if this happens, and make the client think, hey, that's a good idea, what do I want to do in that situation? My client makeup is anywhere from families that have kids and own a home, all the way to high net worth individuals such as movie stars, actors, professional athletes, and CEOs of corporations. My top 3 power partners are financial advisors, CPAs, and real estate agents. I work with CPAs. Usually when my clients come to me and I set up some kind of plan for them, they need a CPA to do their taxes at the end of the year or quarterly. I will match the client up with a CPA that will fit their needs. Some clients will need a moderately experienced CPA, others will need more advanced, highly trained CPAs that can work with the structures we've implemented. If a real estate agent has a client that buys a home and they don't tell the client that they need to put that home in a trust, they're doing their client a disservice. So by a real estate agent referring a client to me, I can make sure that their client is treated with the whole package and not just one part of it. A big benefit to my power partners is when they refer clients to me, I tend to get the client's whole financial situation. You know, most clients aren't necessarily comfortable telling their entire financial situation to a real estate agent or to a financial advisor, or sometimes even to a CPA. With me as an attorney, I have that confidentiality, and additionally, I really need to know everything that they have, or I can't plan for them effectively. So when I see that complete financial outlook, I can sometimes refer them back to the advisor that sent them to me, whether it's a CPA, financial advisor, or real estate agent, and say, hey, there's a deficiency here in this category, you know, maybe you can help them out with that. I treat all clients like they're an individual, and I want to give them the best customer service as possible. So one of the things I do is I do a free consultation. And during that consultation, I will sit down with you to figure out who you are and what your needs are before I even recommend any plan to you. The best way to contact me is to call my office and set up an appointment for a free consultation, and we can sit down and determine what your needs are.